All right, let's talk through question number 6. If you are here, that's because you got this question wrong. This is a percent concentration, which means we do not use a picket fence, which means I do not have a hidden proportion, which means I just do use my circle. So if you don't remember the circle, it's this. I'll go as fast as I can. Now, if you don't like how the circle works, that's fine. Don't use it. Just use algebra. But for percent concentrations, we have our solute. And it's most of the time in grams. All right, this is mass over volume, so this time it absolutely is grams. And you can turn to your periodic table on the inside on the left, and it would tell you um, the equation for mass over volume, and you could plug it in. All we're doing is taking that same equation and putting it in here. I have my percent down here, and then I have my solution. All right, my solution is on the bottom, and this will be in milliliters. Okay, it tells me the top is mass or grams. It tells me the bottom is volume or milliliters. All right, so if you remember, we'll put a heart over it because it's so much fun. If you remember how this works, it says what is the percent concentration? So cover up the thing that you're asked to solve for, and then the circle tells you the rest of the math. It tells you that I am left with solute, or grams, over solution, milliliters. So I come up, here's my mass, it's called sugar. If I give it a name, it's the solute. So I have 35 grams over, I'm looking for my milliliters, there's 250 of them, of the solution. Now it says solution already, so I don't need to add and get 285. All right, I do this and I should get an answer. I don't have that memorized in my head. I end up with 0.14, but that's not the answer. The answer is 14%, because remember, when we solve for percent, we do the math and then we have to multiply it by 100. All right, so if you got 0.14, you forgot to multiply by 100. If you got any other number, you probably switched things. If you got this number, hold on. If you got the answer to be around 7.14, you have this upside down, and you put your grams on the bottom and your milliliters on top. Okay? If you weren't here, I told kids they could put this circle on their periodic tables on that far left. So go ahead and do that. All right, hopefully that helped.